Hello everybody and welcome in today's episode on Grainificent and this short story about Nick Knight. In this short series I introduce you to famous photographers and in short about their work. If the video interests you, you can look deeper into their work and their story. This is just a little introduction. If you like this video, please subscribe. It shows me I make helpful and interesting content. And also, in the description down below, there is a link to the playlists about other famous photographers I made videos about. So, feel free to watch other videos. Maybe you'll find one that inspires you in your work. So, Nick Knight is a renowned British fashion photographer, known for his groundbreaking work, innovative approach to image making, and influential contributions to the world of fashion and contemporary art. Born on November 24, 1958 in Hammersmith, London, Knight has left an indelible mark on the industry through his pioneering techniques and dedication to pushing the boundaries of traditional photography. Nick Knight's journey into the world of photography started at a young age when he developed an interest in visual storytelling and artistic expression. His formal education in photography began at Bournemouth and Poole College of Art and Design, where he honed his technical skills and began to experiment with different styles and techniques. Knight's early career in the 1980s was marked by his collaboration with renowned designers such as Yohji Yamamoto and John Galliano. His unique vision and ability to capture the essence of fashion quickly garnered attention, setting the stage for a prolific career that would span decades. One of Knight's most significant contributions to the field is his use of innovative photographic techniques. In the 1990s, he became a pioneer in digital photography, embracing technology to manipulate and enhance images in ways previously unseen. His willingness to embrace new technologies challenged the conventions of traditional photography and positioned him as a forward-thinking artist at the forefront of the industry. Knight's experimentation extended beyond digital manipulation to include unconventional lighting, staging, and post-production processes. This willingness to push the boundaries of what was considered acceptable in fashion photography set him apart from his peers and established him as a true trailblazer. In 2000, Knight founded Show Studio, an innovative platform that combines fashion, film, and art. Show Studio became a space for experimentation and collaboration, bringing together artists, designers, and creatives from various disciplines to push the boundaries of conventional fashion communication. The platform's live broadcasts, interactive projects, and behind-the-scenes content provided a unique and immersive experience for audiences, solidifying Knight's reputation as a visionary in the intersection of fashion and digital media. Throughout his career, Knight collaborated with some of the biggest names in fashion, music, and popular culture. His work with iconic figures such as Lady Gaga, Björk, Alexander McQueen, and Kate Moss has resulted in visually striking and culturally significant images that transcend traditional notions of fashion photography. One of Knight's most notable works is his collaboration with McQueen on the Number 13 collection in 1999. The images captured by Knight not only showcased the garments but also conveyed a narrative, contributing to the overall storytelling aspect of fashion photography. Nick Knight's impact on contemporary art and fashion is immeasurable. His fearless approach to experimentation, coupled with an unwavering commitment to pushing artistic boundaries, has inspired a new generation of photographers and artists. The fusion of technology, fashion, and art that Knight championed has become a hallmark of modern visual communication. Show Studio continues to be a driving force in the industry, providing a platform for emerging talent and facilitating discussions about the intersection of fashion, technology, and culture. Knight's legacy is not just in the images he created, but in the transformative way he approached the medium, forever changing the landscape of fashion photography. Over the course of his career, Nick Knight has received numerous awards and accolades for his contributions to the arts. These include, but are not limited to, the Isabella Blow Award for Fashion Creator at the 2016 Fashion Awards, and an honorary Doctor of Arts degree from the University of the Arts London in 2019. These honors reflect the widespread acknowledgement of Knight's influence and impact on the global fashion and art communities. Nick Knight's life and legacy in photography represent a testament to the power of innovation, creativity, and fearlessness in the pursuit of artistic expression. His ability to seamlessly blend technology, fashion, and art has not only redefined the possibilities of the medium, but has also inspired countless individuals to challenge the status quo. As a photographer, filmmaker, and founder of Show Studio, Knight's enduring influence continues to shape the future of visual culture, leaving an indelible mark on the world of fashion and beyond. So if you like this video, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. It shows me I make helpful and interesting content. And feel free to check out the playlist down below about other famous photographers I made a video about. Maybe you will find your inspiration there. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.